Hey everybody, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. Today we're going to do a Stampin' Show and Tell showing off the project kit Timeless Tidings. So you can buy the project kit, it makes 20 cards. There are 4 different pre-designed cards ready to go. You're going to make 5 of each. You're going to use the Timeless Tidings stamp set to go ahead and do your stamping and embellishing with stamps on your envelopes. And today I'm doing card number 4. So let's get started. So this one is this beautiful red card and it's got the holly on it. So there's my envelope. I've got some green rhinestones to use today. My tag for my sentiment. Now this one has the holly, right? And it's on this gold layered piece here. You're going to notice the card is red, right? And one side has a line on it. That's a guideline for our gold embellishment here. And you might remember from the last card, card number 3, there was another gold embellishment that was longer and it had a little star punched out of it. That's how they indicate which one is which. So this one, there's no star. It's a slightly different shape, but it's going to go on the card right along that line. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Now let's see if I can get this one to come up without having any of those spots come in. That was great. So I just took my time, pull it up. All those little spots should stay stuck down. Now, I'm going to go ahead and line this up with my guideline as best I can. Alright, so there's my gold foil put down. Okay, now we have our image, and this is just going to get adhered right over the top, just like that. Pretty easy. These go together nice and quick. They're not complicated. So whether you're a beginner stamper or if you've been doing it for years but you just want to get these holiday cards put together because they're beautiful and because you want to get them done, this is a good option for you. So there's that. Okay, now we're going to do our tag. So this one, let's see. This one is the Hoping Beautiful Moments in Memory. So I'm bringing in my shaded spruce ink because I opted to use my shaded spruce color instead of black like the instructions say. Remember, they're your cards. You can make them the way you want to. I'm just going to stamp this down on my tag, which came pre-cut, ready to go. And I've been putting them all in dimensionals to give them a little bit of pop. Easy enough, right? Okay, so this is going to go on my card right about there, I guess. Now remember, these are your cards. You can put your embellishments on anywhere you would like them. So if you prefer it to be down instead of up, you could do that too. Okay, and then I'm going to put on 3 of these green rhinestones just to give some bling to our card here. Easy enough. And then, of course, what am I going to do next? Got to stamp that envelope, right? No naked envelopes. Beautiful homemade cards should have stamped envelopes. And I love that great gold embellishment too. So, okay, so that was card number 4. So let's just review real quick. So I did card number 4 today, obviously, right? So there's card number 4. I did card number 3 a couple of days ago on the Wednesday show and tell. That's the beautiful one with the trees. On Monday we did card number 2. This was with that big wash spray of holly and berries, right, on that beautiful red card. And then the first one I did a week ago on Friday was the poinsettia card. So I hope maybe I've inspired you to give it a try and make some holiday cards to share with your loved ones. If you need help placing an order, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you place an order or place it online. And I hope you enjoy the project kits. I know I did. I also have some other fun projects I'm doing with this stamp set as well that I'll share with you in the coming weeks. But if you want to get an early start on those holiday cards, this is a good choice. So I hope you enjoyed the show and tell series the last few days, all focusing on this one project kit. Comments below are always appreciated, and if you don't want to miss anything I'm doing, subscribe to the show and tell news that comes out every Tuesday. So thanks everybody. I hope you do some fun stamping today and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.